One of the biggest questions that I get asked, I think one of the biggest differentiators between Fresh Start and a whole bunch of other companies out there, or at least with our experience, other companies that we've dealt with personally, is the aftercare. Now, what do I mean by the aftercare? 7 years ago, when Frank purchased a property, he went through a buyer's agent. The buyer's agent purchased a property for Frank off the plan. The property fell $60,000 under market. So when he went to go settle, banks walked through the property. They said the property is worth 60K less. He was 23 at the time, 24 at the time. So 24-year-old kid who'd already put down a $60,000 deposit to secure a property, got told, hey, if you want to secure this asset, you need to come up with another $60,000. Not to come off the loan, it's the banks didn't value the property at what he bought it for, 60K under. So he essentially had the choice of putting down another 60K or losing the $60,000 that he'd already put down. Luckily, he had an Italian mother who keeps cash under the bed, and she was able to fund him the 60K. From that point of that happening, he never heard from the buyer's agency. Couldn't get in contact. They did not contact him. They just purchased the property, that's it. Wiped their hands, left. Just didn't want to hear anything about it. Today, we run a buyer's agency. We purchased 300 property. This year, we'll purchase 300 properties for our clients, Australia-wide. The Australian average growth rate is 6.8%. Our client's portfolio, on an average, our entire client's portfolio grows on an average 24% per annum, right? So not only do we buy the right assets and secure the right assets and achieve awesome results, the big thing and the message that I want to share with you today is the aftercare that actually takes place. So when a client purchases a property, we have 3 different tiers. One, every single 4 to 6 months, we're running valuations for the client and we're sitting down and strategizing with our clients. Every 4 to 6 months, whether you can buy 10 properties, whether you can buy 2 properties, whether you can buy 1 property. Every single 4 to 6 months, you get a personalized video, you get the plan updated, and you get a strategy call with our team every 4 to 6 months. That's the first thing. Second to that is every single time there is something happening with the property, whether it's maintenance, whether it's property manager coming back and saying, hey, what do we do with this rents? Whether it's the tenant being a bit difficult, whatever it is, you come straight back into your WhatsApp group, into your little Fresh Start family hub, and you just get our advice. Hey, let me run a market analysis, do this. Hey, that maintenance request is too high, let me go do analysis for you. Hey, the rental, I think you can get an extra 20 bucks. Always there. So the service remains the same the entire time. The third thing is when renovations come in and we need to complete renovations, we almost project manage. So almost sit with you and, there's an added service that we have where we will go in, project manage the entire thing. You don't get your hands dirty at all. You don't have to really worry too much about it. We just manage the entire journey to up rent or to up equity. This is one of the biggest differentiators with Fresh Start Advisory, and it obviously comes off the back of a lot of pain and us understanding, well, hang on, this is what happened to us. We make sure this never happens to any other client, but it also comes off the back of just providing a good service and actually being there for clients who need it, especially when you're buying properties all over the country. You have a team, I call it the $100 million team, but always in your pocket. You have a team of professionals who buy property in the same region that you've got the property, and they're managing your property, they're updating you on what the values and the strategy of moving forward to the next asset, making sure maintenance or anything with the property manager is sorted. They're making sure that the property is safe and steady at all times. It's such a big piece to what we do, and it obviously allows you as a client to be able to scale and have peace of mind. The aftercare, super important. It's why we offer it. It's designed to take a lot of the risk off you guys. Have a beautiful day and to your success.